Well, as we wait for Jensen to strap this car down, Matty's white championship white FN2 is warming up on the dyno. We're going to basically trundle through a few runs and make sure everything's okay, get her up to temperature, etc. A little bit of a health check really after the work that we've done. But what a beautiful car. You may note that his wheels look absolutely fresh and gorgeous. That's because Uncle Keith at Uncle Keith's paint shop has indeed painted them. So that's why they look so good. Here we go. Come on, Jensen. Well, she's looking nice, Matty, after our Jensen has washed all the dust off it. Now, I don't think the dust got on it here, but we couldn't let it leave looking horrible, so it's had a bit of a swill, mate. And doesn't she look gorgeous? Off Rich goes to park it up nicely for the rest of the day.